We just walked to get some iced coffees. We're staying at this Airbnb we booked in San Diego. Lindsay had a show last night and she's flying out tonight. So we're living large for a couple of nights to be comfortable.
Yeah, my flight leaves really late tonight, so I want to make sure, or we wanted to make sure that Ben had somewhere nice and safe to just come back to and relax.
So I dropped Lindsay off at the airport last night. She's flying home for a couple of appointments that she has, and I'm stuck here hanging out with Bala. I'm about to head out, and I have a tea time booked at a disc golf course. We're staying right on the edge of Balboa Park, so there's a really old park there. I guess it's one of the original ones here in California, so I'm excited to go check it out. After finishing my first round, I met my new friend Calvin, and we actually ended up playing an entire another round and a half together.
In there, it was good.
It's a beautiful park too.
Yeah.
We were having such a good time. He even took me to one of his favorite local pizza spots. Alley, you know, Bootin' Alley.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna here in a Red Bull, and I'll be good till 3:30, and we'll leave before traffic piles up. Easy.
Mayo, lettuce, tomato, turkey, a couple of slices of Swiss cheese, mustard, and that's a wrap. It's about to be a wrap. It was a terrible wrap job. Yeah, that was horrible, but... Okay, so I'm about to go run some errands in Home Depot, and I was starving, so I made myself a turkey wrap. But I wanted to share a little bit of a problem that we've had since moving into the bus. When you're running errands on the go and need to come into the back just to make a snack or grab something really quick, and you're wearing shoes, do you take them off? I haven't been. I usually make sure they're clean at least, but I know it feels wrong and I would rather not, but it's so annoying in that small entrance space to take them off every time, especially if it's just grabbing something real quick. So it's just kind of one of those weird things that you never really thought about until moving in here. After getting my errands done, I got some work done at Starbucks. And then I hit the gym. I said in my last video that I wanted to work out more regularly, so here is my proof. You guys can help keep me accountable, maybe. I got the call that the bus is ready. Had the front brake pads and rotors replaced. Got some questionably steep roads in Mexico coming up in the near future, so we thought it'd be good to make sure the brakes are nice and solid before we head down there. So I just got the bus back and pulled up to an auto zone. The headlights on the bus are so dim we can barely see anything at night, so I'm gonna go see if I can find some brighter ones, some fresher ones, and that'll definitely make driving at night a lot more comfortable. Kind of like doing all the things to get the bus ready for like going deep into Baja. We did spend a couple of weeks there just around the San Felipe area, so not too far down the peninsula. And then we had to come back up for Lindsay's flight in San Diego there, but getting the bus ready before we head further down the coast, because there's a lot of nowhere in between, and I would really love to not run into any problems in the middle of the desert down there. So making sure everything feels good and tight before we make the trip down there for a couple of months. So I guess I'm just bringing you guys along while I do chores. I hope that's interesting for you to watch. Let me know. I don't really know what we're doing with this YouTube channel yet. Bala's getting some new eyes. She's getting all tuned up. You know when you're out and about doing chores and running errands around town and you get a few productive things done, so you feel good about yourself, and then all of a sudden, oh, you're hungry, it's time to eat. And guess what? It's Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. I hope they have tacos. I looked it up online. I'm just hungry. Okay, they didn't have a special deal on tacos, but this torta pollo looks really good. Man, first half of that sandwich had no business being that good. Woo. Good salsa verde too. Just had to stop at Best Buy again for something, and immediately after closing the door, I realized I don't have the keys, and they are now locked inside the bus. There happened to be a Staples in the plaza just over there. So I bought some duct tape, and I'm gonna try, I swear I've seen it on some random Facebook video or something, putting tape on the window and then just pulling it down, and then hopefully the window will come down and I can reach in and unlock it. Wish me luck. It didn't work. So a tow truck's on its way, and hopefully they'll be able to get in with no problems, but that's $150. Oops. I guess I'm just here chilling now until they get here. No. After a little Google search, I gave Camel Toe Towing Company a call, and they sent somebody out, and we were able to get it open fairly easily. Butter and blueberries is one of the best combos for sure. It's one of the reasons why we were excited to live in a smaller space. It only takes like 5 minutes to clean it. This course is designed so poorly. There's just one tape pad that's so out of the way, away from everything else, and then you just walk all the way back. Couldn't you have just made it a circle? Also, yes, I'm playing disc golf again. Doesn't look too long, but I was definitely ready for a trim. Luckily, these are really easy to install. Floor screws, and they just plug in. Location number 2, I had to get some more screws because the old ones were a little rusted and the threads weren't really there anymore. So, round 2. And before I knew it, there was only time for one more round of disc golf, one more workout, and a quick load of laundry before heading to the airport to pick up Lindsay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for our adventures down the Baja Peninsula in Mexico.